Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to talk about something that has really been coming up in the last couple of weeks with customers. When we send out a quote, they'll come back to us and say, I can get the log cabin X amount cheaper elsewhere. Now, I'm not saying they're lying, but there's something wrong. The log cabin may be cheaper, but the company that's selling it is saving money elsewhere. So you're not getting something. If you're getting a product cheaper, then there's something missing. We all know that when generally the product gets cheaper, something gets cut. It's part of the market. It's part of what happens. So what are you missing out? Is it the fact that you're not going to get the floor and you have to pay extra for the floor? Is it the fact that delivery is a lot more money depending where you are? Is it the fact that they will not even be interested in building it for you and you're going to have to spend a heck of a lot more money to get that product built? Or is it the fact that their after sales is not really of interest? Now, there's a lot of companies out there that do sell cabins cheaper, but will you be able to go and see it? Can you touch it? Can you feel it? Do they have one of the largest display areas in the country where you can go and view the product, talk to the individual, put a face to the name, and know that person is going to help you every stage of the way? That's what you get from us. That is what the service we provide. So from us, you're not buying a cheap cabin. I'm not going to compete. If you think you can get a cheap cabin elsewhere, feel free, go elsewhere. But what you buy from us is not a cheap cabin. You buy a service. You buy a way of which making your life simpler, because life is stressful enough already. We're here to help you every step of the way, and we're here to help you after it's complete. So that's what you're getting from us. That's what you're getting from Logspan. That's why our customers come back to us again and again and again. We've heard stories of people trying to return log cabins to other companies and being told they'd have to pay an extra few £100 just to get the company to come pick it up. Once you buy, you're stuck with it. So before you purchase a cheap inverted commas log cabin, think of what it is going to be costing you in the long run. Because you've got that cabin not just for this today, not for the next year. You're hoping to have it for the next 20, 30 years. How much money are you going to spend keeping that cheap log cabin up to scratch? How much money are you going to save by a cabin that's higher quality and costs slightly more? I'll admit it, it will cost slightly more coming to us. But that's because you're getting a service and you're getting something that lasts and you're getting a legacy for your children. All right, I hope that makes sense. If you've got any questions, feel free to come and speak to me. Send me an email at austin@logspan.com or just reply to this post. All right, take care, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.